How to punch a sales order in Tejo ERP. Before creating a sales order, we need to add the customer to the system. Let's see how to add a customer. Go to the Sales and Marketing module. On the left side, go to Master. Then select Customer Master and click on Customer. Now click on the three-line menu to open the customer list. Once the customer list appears, click on the plus icon. Enter the customer name and fill in the required details such as customer category, customer group, customer source, and opening balance. After entering all the details, click on Save and Continue. On the next page, you need to enter the GST number, customer country name, state name, district name, address, and zip code. You also need to add a contact person. Enter the contact person's name and their contact number. After filling in all the required details, click on the Create button. Your customer has been created successfully. Now you can use this customer while creating a sales order.
Now, to create a sales order, go to the Sales and Marketing module, then click on the Order tab. On the new page, click on the plus icon to punch a new order. Now select your OA type. I am selecting Sales OA. Next, start filling in the sales order details. Add the sales product line. On the next page, select the customer name, enter the customer PO number, and select the customer PO date. Click on Save and Continue. On the next page, select the OA delivery date and sales vertical, then click Save and Continue again. Now fill in the product details. Select the product code, enter the order quantity, selling price, and other mandatory details. Then click Save and Continue. Next, select your terms and conditions and click Save and Continue. On the following page, select any other charges if applicable and again click Save and Continue. Finally, click on the Submit button. Once you submit, you will see the Approve and Reject options. If you want to approve the order, click on the Approve button. Your order has now been successfully approved. Now the production team is ready for planning. Thank you.